Later music, a race that's become who was daughter voice. In the streets of Karachi, Lahore, Peshawar, a silent scream echoes a cry for help afar. A child, a woman, a daughter, a sister too. Their dignity stolen, their trust shattered anew. Oh, come on, come on, custodians of justice, let our voices rise. If you want your daughters will be safely survive. Against the darkness, let justice open eyes. For the victims, for the survivors, we stand tall. Oh, come on, we will not fall. Either motorway to Kashmir, Kinza, in Lahore, several cases unfold. Families of Kinza, Zainab, Marwa, and many more untold. The story's silenced, the future's unsure, but we remember and we will ensure. Oh, come on, custodians of justice, let our voices rise. If you want your daughters will be safely survive. Against the darkness, let justice open eyes. For the victims, for the survivors, we stand tall. Oh, come on, we will not fall. Legislation implementation, we demand protection for our innocent women across this land. Education, awareness, a change in mind. No more impunity, justice we will find. Oh, come on, custodians of justice, let our voices rise. If you want your daughters will be safely survive. Against the darkness, let justice open eyes. For the victims, for the survivors, we stand tall. Oh, come on, we will not fall. We will not be silenced, we will not hide. Our voices will echo side by side. For a safer Pakistan where women thrive. Wake up lawmakers and custodians of courts, we will survive on every Pakistani road. This song aims to raise awareness about rape crimes in Pakistan and pay tribute to victims and survivors. We want to save the daughters of Hawa by any means. Was daughter voice. In the streets of Karachi, Lahore, Peshawar, a silent scream echoes a cry for help afar. A child, a woman, a daughter, a sister too. Their dignity stolen, their trust shattered anew. Oh, come on, custodians of justice, let our voices rise. If you want your daughters will be safely survive. Against the darkness, let justice open eyes.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content and updates.